Hey everyone, I'm your host Stephanie. Today we're going to talk about the basics of lighting. Lighting is essential to filming a scene. Lighting helps to expose your images, add atmosphere and tone, and increase production value. Let's take a look at all of the lighting details that you need to know.
About 15 seconds. Stand by on 12. 3, 2, 1. Music, mic, yours.
Imagine you turn on your TV and a character's face is shrouded in shadows. That probably doesn't happen too often. When you're taking a picture of someone and they're standing in front of the sun, their entire face will be covered in shadows. They should have the light in their face instead of blocking it. Professionals in the television and film industry know how to use lighting properly. They know where the sun should be in their shots for the best lighting, and where to add lights for the best effect. Have you noticed that YouTubers are rarely filming next to windows? That's because the sunlight that comes from the window can negatively affect their lighting setup. A lot of YouTube creators use professional level lighting setups because they know how important good lighting is. One basic yet professional quality lighting setup that video creators use is softbox lighting. Softboxes are basically covers for your studio lights. Softbox kits are helpful because they help to filter the harsh glare from the light bulb. This creates a softer light on your subject with less shadows. YouTubers tend to use softbox lighting around the subject to eliminate any possible shadows. People that are filming themselves will utilize ring lighting setups. These are the go-to lighting setups for people who vlog and do makeup content on YouTube. It's a popular lighting setup because it creates a flattering light all around your face.
About 15 seconds. Stand by on 12. 3, 2, 1. Music, mic, yours.
There are a few lighting related terms that you'll need to study. One of those terms is the key light. The key light is the main source of light in a shot. It's the brightest light in the shot that brightens up a subject. There's also the fill. The fill light is a light that helps out the key. It's used to soften or eliminate the shadows that the key light creates. The key to fill ratio of a shot can really affect the shot, and that's why it's important to strike a good balance. Then there's the backlight. This is the light that sets up behind the subject or actor in a shot at their back. The backlight can help to define the shape of your subject and separate the subject from the background, which gives depth to the image. The light for the background is called the set light. It helps to add light to the entire set of the shot around the subject. It helps to have a separate light source for your set light, to give you some more control over the entire shot. And there you have it, the introduction to lighting for your shots. As you continue filming and working on your shots, you'll get better and better with lighting. Lighting properly isn't easy, but if you continuously learn how to adjust your lighting setup and give it hours, days, weeks, months, and years of practice, you'll be creating perfectly lit images. You'll be a lighting professional soon enough.